Hello all. In this presentation, we are going to discuss about how we can use ChatGPT to get answers to some of our questions related to the product research. So we'll be discussing the questions related to three topics: persona research, willingness to pay, and business model frameworks. So in persona research, you know, we would like to know how different ways in which we can frame the problem itself for a particular product. So we can say, okay, what are the different ways to frame a problem for a product similar to, let's say, Gong.io or V.io. Similarly, if we don't know what are the different personas, we can also ask what are the different personas for products similar to the product. We can also ask what are the challenges that are faced by the personas, what are the jobs to be done, what survey questions we can create to know more about the preferences of the persona and create a journey map for the persona. Similarly, we can generate different frameworks like the lean canvas framework, value proposition framework, business model canvas framework, problem result framework, pest analysis, and SWOT metrics. Similarly, we can also create a pricing plan for the products having features. So we can give the prompts for the sample product and for the features. We can also ask ChatGPT to generate the ideal customer profile or to generate the willingness to pay metrics for all the features in the product. Not and even we can modify this prompt by uh, asking it to generate the willingness to pay metrics for the minimal marketable product and for all the personas using minimal marketable product. Hello all. In this session, we are going to discuss about how we can use ChatGPT to generate answers to different questions during the product research. So in this presentation, we're discussing about three main topics: persona research, willingness to pay, and business model frameworks. We would like to know how we can frame the problem itself. So if we know a product or if we have got a product in mind and we are going to develop a product similar to that product, we can say, okay, what are the different ways to frame the problem itself for the product similar to that particular app? So you can replace app with whichever the app you have in mind. So suppose you are developing a product similar to MS Teams or Slack, so you can replace it by the app. List personas for app for the product similar to, so you can generate the personas. You can also generate the challenges faced by the personas. You can generate the jobs to be done by the personas. You can also create the survey questions for the personas and create the journey map for persona. In fact, if you combine all these questions in one program, you can generate the full report for the persona research. Now, coming to the frameworks, you can generate different frameworks like Lean Canvas, Value Proposition Framework, Business Model Canvas Framework, Price, Problem Result Framework, Pest Analysis, and SWOT Matrix for the product. So you can enhance the prompts here. So you can give the product name, the sample product name, or the personas, and uh, if you're doing it programmatically, then you can replace this personas from the result that you got from the previous screen. Now, willingness to pay is an important concept where we would like to know for which features a customer would be willing to pay more, and that will give you an idea which features are important. So you can create a willingness to pay matrix for all the features, and then you can modify these prompts or extend these prompts based upon your domain knowledge and the domain expertise. And you can also generate the ideal customer profiles, which is an important dimension of the product research. Thank you.